Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will take a view of XML file, its parts, components, terms that is used in XML file while designing our front end or GUI. This is very basic but too much important video to start designing front end using XML. While working with XML file, if you face any problem and you don't know the name of your problem, name of the component or part you are working on, different terms and component used in XML file, then you will not only face lot of problems to solve the actual problem, but will not be able to search the problem on the Google. So watch the video till the end. This video will help you to answer all of your questions. But before we proceed our video, let me remind you one thing, that if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please like and subscribe the channel to support me to make more videos on Android development. Now let's move to our main topic. When we start our Android Studio or create a new project with empty activity, then Android Studio provide us with two files, .java file and .xml file. Before moving to our main topic, let's talk about some useful terms and difference between them that will help us to understand other topics. And these topics are view and view group. What is view? All the elements, UI controls which user can see, give and take command from, or can use to perform different functions are called your views or elements. Example: button, edit text, text view, radio button, label, image view, simple buttons. Everything you can see or interact with are your views. View group. View group is called layout. It is a container which holds your views like buttons, edit text, text view, etc. at a specific position. Or in simple or non-technical words, we can say view group is a bucket or basket in which you can place different things or items. Example: linear layout, constraint layout, relative layout, all of are your view group. We will go into the detail of these topics in a separate video. Now open your .xml file. Whenever you create .xml file, then you can see you will always get something like this already defined. It is called root element or main element, which is nothing but a view group or a layout, or is a container which could be linear layout, constraint layout, relative layout, grid layout, etc. And this root element will hold all of your views like button, text views, checkbox, etc. in its opening and its closing tags. Now let's take an advanced level example. As you can see, I have defined some views and elements in our root element, which is linear layout. Every element has its own opening and closing tags, like the tags of your root element. And in between these two opening and closing tags, all these lines are called your attributes or properties. Some properties or attributes are common to almost every views, like width and height and ID. If you want your view to be visible on your screen, then you must define its width and height. And this ID attribute is just like your ID card, because we will access this text view or this element through this ID in our .java file. And that's it for today's topic. I have introduced almost every term used in .xml file that will help you to use right word while searching on Google. Now, if you want more data or details, then you can go to Google, type your concerned word, and you will get lot of data relating to your specific data. And that's it for today's topic. Meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.